Holmwood Technical bus driver shot dead on the school's compound. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A school bus driver was shot dead at the Holmwood Technical High School in northeast Manchester on Friday morning. He has been identified as Rohan Gentles, otherwise called Scrooge, a resident of Chudleigh district. Preliminary reports are that at around 8:10 a.m. he was ambushed by a gunman as he was waiting to load the institution's coaster bus to transport the under-16 and under-14 football team to a match in Spalding, Clarendon. Classes were suspended at the educational institution for the day as the police commenced an investigation. The latest incident increased to 45 the number of people murdered in Manchester since the start of the year, compared to 39 for the corresponding period last year. Team coach Errol Newman spoke to reporters and had this to say.
Well, we have a U14 and a U16 match. It was scheduled to play last week Saturday, but it was rained out. So it's a rescheduled game for today at 10 and 12. So we're getting ready to go to that game over by Knox.
It's reported that the incident happened in full view of some students.
Yeah, he was here preparing to take the students, the footballers, to Knox for the game.
Coach at the educational institution described him as a father figure to the youth and that he was very jovial.
He was a jovial person. He's like a father to the youth them. They rap, they talk, they joke. He was a good person. I don't have any problem with him. And all the kids and him have a good rapport.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.